it on the S5. When you pull the oil, put the drain plug right there, but there's like a little place, and put that shit right there so it doesn't fall down. Okay, or just let it fall down. Do you not know your right from your left? Left is that way. Left is towards you.
This way, right?
Towards you.
Oh, towards me?
Not towards me.
Bro, it's hot as dirt, bro.
Bro, you gotta just do it quick. You need to stop being a little.
Alright, so reverse clockwise or clockwise?
No, revert. Wait, what? Counterclockwise. Okay. Towards you, bro.
I took Mr. A, bro. Come on.
Hey, watch out, bro. Watch out. Get the fucking rag out of there, bro. Just because the rag, dude. Bruh. Eric, why the fuck did you put the rag there? Bro, I'm gonna charge you each time you spill.
Hey, every spill is $10, bro.
Spill's $10, bro.
I see. Oh, that's a landmine, bro. I see like 200 in his pocket.
I have to be that close, bro. You just gotta take it out. Alright, yeah, there should be two rubber seals over there, like rubber O-rings. Alright, this one right here, this one goes into the, that's good, bro. This one right here goes into the filter housing. This one right here goes on the filter housing in there, and this one goes with the one, I'll show you, take it out. So what you're gonna do, it's probably hot, so you're gonna have to take off the filter and put it in here. Okay, take it out. Oh, that's definitely need an oil change. Yeah, that thing, Amanda. Alright, put it in here. You gotta take it off though. Like, you gotta, no, don't do that. Or actually, try it. Pull a little bit. Pull, bruh, pull. There you go. Ta-da, that's how you take off the filter. Alright.
Oh, the ring is already in there.
Yeah, the ring's in there, but you gotta take it out. So you got a new one. So you see this ring right here? This is the thicker one. So, right there. Take it.
You see it has a little, like, hook.
Yeah, just a little pick tool. You're able to take it off like so. And so what we want to do, this thing is it's not lubed up. We need to lube it up in order to put it in there. Just create a better seal. Just get it lubed up. So you lube it up, right? So you take this right here, and then just put it in there.
Yes, dude.
Lube the ring?
Yeah, you lube the O-rings. All right. There's a second O-ring. Cool. So well, you can just put this there. Make sure it's fully seated. Bang. You just put it in there. So make sure you hear that pop.
If it's hard to tighten it, is that good?
Well, yeah. Tighten it a little more until you feel it firm. Not too much, bro. Don't over tighten it.
Alright, I hella tightened it.
Was there a washer in between the bolt?
Yep.
Okay, good. Alright, you gotta take this off right here. I think everybody knows that. This is the oil.
I know, but if you don't know that,
if you don't know that,
have a car,
yeah,
bro.
don't even have a car.
You're one of them dudes that got that you go to Rolling Loud on their Honda Civics. I haven't done an oil change since they bought it 100K miles ago. Precision airstrike, bro. Ready for deployment. Watch out.
You're not.
Hey, did send you that video?
Shut up, bro.
There's a Hellcat in your girl's driveway, bro. It says precision airstrike.
Oh, I seen that. Yeah, I seen that.
That's, you're pouring it pretty high, bro.
Like Miggy's, bro. Remember Miggy's Impala?
You're supposed to pour it from like right there, bro.
Miggy's what?
Impala, bro.
Turn your car with no oil, bro.
I kind of want to see what happens.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
Hey, Kev, go ahead and start it.
Start crying.
Keys are inside.
You start crying for the challenge.
Bro, my engine's smoking, bro. What do? Bro, turn it off. Turn it off. That was Kev when I put his intake. We hit the puff in the intake.
Oh yeah.
And bro, took it off, bro. Like we can take it off in 2 seconds,
Yeah.
bro.
You're not condone smoking in this video. So we want to do an oil change. I don't know if you know this. You start the car, so that thing right there, the oil filter can fill up with oil. Sometimes I think this one takes about half a quart of oil in there, so it'll go down. And you want to check the bottom, see if it's leaking. All right, so it's running for like 5 minutes. You should have it run for like 5-10 minutes. I was joking about the main thing, but it was good. Now we're just gonna add some more oil. So whenever you do a tune, you want to plug in, from integrated engineering, you want to plug in a battery charger so it doesn't break the ECU, because you're not gonna like that. If you break the ECU, it's gonna be a long day. You get the contact support, and today is a Friday, so you won't be able to get it till Saturday. You don't even need that much, dude. Come on. Anyways, for the B8 and B.5 S5 is it's right there. That's where you jump it right there behind. There's the brake fluid, washer fluid, right there. There's the positive. Right here is the little stub with some negative. Just a little tuning going on. All right, this is my second time doing this. So I'm at 19%. Tune extras is like.
Now it's gonna go yay yay.
Yeah, that too. All right, it's important right here is a little message. But pretty much means connect a battery charger, so we already did that. Your key's on here, right, Eric? So turn to the on position. Just push the start once. Put your foot on the brake. Detects the VIN. Oh, look at that, it's already beeping at us.
Reset.
Oh, I didn't know you could do that. All right, engine.
Start. This, I'm gonna be
Stage
hot.
1.
I'm literally gonna have to guard
91 or 91 octane, right?
Yeah, we're not doing 93. I mean, I should, but whatever. Does it make me faster if I do 93?
Alright, it does. But you have 93. This car meets the requirements. Alright, see if you got the credits right there?
Yeah.
Alright, banger. So, purchase.
Dang,
Warning, this
don't
VIN.
care, I don't care.
VIN is not authorized for this cable yet. Would you like to
Yeah.
authorize it? Yes. So, it's now locked onto my account, bro. I already have an S4 on here. Yeah, hold on, I gotta do some stuff. Alright, we're at that thing, so turn it off. Not yet, but it's right about turn off. So you gotta turn off the car and then you gotta let us do this thing.
Yeah, bro. It's like alert.
Yeah, because you mess this up, you're gonna break your ECU. Okay, turn it on. All right, that's it. Like we said, you know, TPS is gonna be on. So don't worry about that. Just going to Mexico real quick, just test it out.
Just cross the border.
Just cross the border, you know, couldn't film it because it's the border. And when it's green? Oh, yo, that thing kicked. Yo, that thing kicked.